In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check ledger in Zoho Books 2025 guide. The general ledger is the backbone of your accounting, gathering every debit and credit across all accounts so you can trace activity, troubleshoot discrepancies, and prepare accurate reports. I'll walk you through a quick, reliable way to open it from your Zoho Books account, and I'll share a few tips to make sure you're looking in the right place. Start by signing in to Zoho Books and landing on the dashboard. This is the home screen where you see snapshots like cash flow, receivables, and payables. Before moving on, glance at the organization name in the header to confirm you're in the correct company file. If you manage multiple organizations, being in the right one ensures the ledger reflects the right books. Next, open the reports section. You can find reports in the main navigation, usually on the left side or along the top, depending on your layout. Clicking reports takes you to a page with categories for financial, sales, purchases, and accounting reports. This is where the general ledger lives. Once you're in reports, use the search bar at the top of the page and type general ledger. The search helps you jump straight to the report without scrolling through categories. If you don't see it immediately, check spelling and spacing. The report is often grouped under accounting or financial statements, but the search bar is the fastest route. When the general ledger appears in the results, click it to open. You'll now see a detailed view of your accounts, each showing running balances with every transaction that has affected them. This is where you can follow the full audit trail for any account: cash, revenue, expenses, liabilities, and more. It's especially useful when you're investigating a balance, preparing for month end, or confirming that entries posted as expected. A few quick tips while you're here. If the page looks empty or incomplete, you might be viewing a period with no activity, or you may have restricted access based on your role. In that case, check with your account admin for permissions. Also, report layouts can evolve over time. So if the interface looks slightly different, the core process, dashboard, reports, search, and open remains the same. That's all you need to access the general ledger in Zoho Books. Go to the dashboard, open reports, type general ledger, and click the report. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.